Hey lovely babies, little craft lovers, I'm your friend and I welcome you to bageshri'scolourbox. If you want to enjoy some fun activities for your vacations, you are at the right place. Let me quickly share you what all you need. Basic stationeries, colorful craft papers, glitter sheets, all of your choice. White glue, or if you cannot handle, you can use glue stick. Watercolor, acrylic color of your choice, or if you cannot handle, use crayon or pencil colors. Pipe cleaner, choose your favorite color here. Air dry clay, super clay, whichever you have. Some popsicle sticks. Some artificial flowers, googly eyes, whichever you are having at your home. Some feathers, you can use colorful ones if you like. Old cardboard piece for the frame. Old plastic glass or disposable glass, whichever you have. So let's begin with the first craft activity. Here I've cut two circle pieces from a cardboard. They look dull, so I'll stick this light blue and white pieces. Do not apply too much of glue, just at the edges is fine enough. Now I've taken glitter sheets that I have. I'll cut a shape of a horn from this. I need 2 ears from these two papers. I will cut 4 ears and 4 small circles from this pink sheet. So let me just show you what all I've cut. Any guesses what we are making? Yes, that's correct. You are so smart. It's a unicorn face. So let's quickly stick them all, and to my help my little daughter is there. Just follow the step how we are doing it. So first stick the horn, then by the side goes the ears, some cute feathers on the head, and to make it more beautiful, stick some flowers. Here comes the plushy cheeks, and here comes the lovely eyes with eyelashes. Good job, baby. For the second activity, take an old glass or a similar container if you have. I don't know if this is visible or not, but I'm going to cut 2 ears and 2 oval shapes from this sheet. With this pink sheet, I'm going to stick inner part of the ear and some paw marks. Hey you, can you guess what it looks like? Still time. So let's stick these paws at the bottom of the glass. And at the top comes the ears. And we are getting closer as to what we are making. Again my daughter is back to help me, and yes, she's sticking the nose and the googly eyes and now making the W shape as its mouth. Draw some mustache, and I know you know it. Yes, it's the bunny organizer. Now let's make some pencil tops, and I'll need all of these like you can see. With the help of a glue, I'll stick some feathers here and start rolling this pipe cleaner over the top of this pencil. Stick some googly eyes on this. Sticking this triangle beak. Similarly for these two, let's give them a face. Let's make a frame for your kids' room, and this is an old cardboard I'll use. After making hanging arrangements, I'm covering this with yellow sheet. Very light, I've made a figure of a cat here. I'm using air dry clay and I will be making its face with this and ears, and then I'll go ahead and make the bow for this cat, and at the end I'll also make the paws. So let's begin with the coloring. I wanted a colorful cat, so I've chosen a blue cat. What do you think? How would a blue cat look like originally? but I think with this yellow background it will look great. So let's color the clay part of this cat. So with the help of a glue, let's stick the clay part. Earlier I thought a straight face could be good, but a tilted face I thought could be make it a cute cat. So let's make a nice face for this mini cat. Give a nice outlining so all the body parts is looking good. To make a nice background, I begin with some white dots and then quickly make some flowers. Woohoo! It's done! So for the fifth activity, let's cut a circle piece. I've taken some feathers and quickly with the help of white glue, I will be sticking them all over this circle. This activity was the quickest and easiest of all. So on a paper, make a shape which is similar to the letter S. Again, I'm going to use this pipe cleaner and try to twist it as similar to this shape that you've drawn. I just had one pipe cleaner remaining. That is the reason I'm using this cardboard piece to stick them to give it a height for the neck as well as for the legs. So here we are cutting and sticking the legs of the flamingo. Yes, we are making a flamingo here. So color the beak white and black and then stick this. Also stick the googly eye. Yes, my dear, this is complete. Number 6, let's use these popsicle sticks. Let's give them the color of rainbow. Wow, I love to make such colorful stuffs. If there is a rainbow, there has to be a cloud, and I'm cutting this cloud shape on this sheet. Okay, let's arrange all the sticks together. Apply some glue and go ahead and stick the cloud. Wasn't that easy and beautiful? Come here, if you're getting bored, come and tear these papers. I am sure nobody is going to scold you for this. You can see my daughter is also enjoying tearing them. So earlier we have torn some tree and branches, and then we are going to tear some colorful paper sheets, and make sure that you are not using the scissors at all. And I'm telling you, tearing them with hands is more fun here. Go ahead, don't stop, keep tearing. Okay, fine, that's enough. Let's apply some glue now and begin with sticking. So try to stick the tree and its branches. The first layer that we are sticking and spreading is the green one. Then comes the orange layer. Before that, make sure that you leave few of the pieces extras and keep them aside. Go ahead and spread some yellow pieces. But our tree is already looking so flourished and bloomed. Just look at it. Not only that, all the leaves and some of the flowers have even dropped down. Oh, my daughter is already eager to show you the colorful stuff. But my friend, you just forgot one important thing. Yes, you forgot to hit that like button. So she's really excited to show you all the stuff, but also I have displayed them on the wall and the clip is there at the end. So keep watching till the end. I hope you had a nice time and you really enjoyed, and we'll see you in our next video.